Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So where am I heading today? I'm going to EZ Moto, the shop where I used to service my Benelli 600i. So I'm heading there to install stock exhaust for my 600i. So currently this runs on an Akrapovic replica exhaust. So I'm going to remove this one and I'm gonna install the stock exhaust. Because I have already done a separate video for a mileage check with the replica exhaust, so I have planned to do another mileage check with the stock exhaust on this bike. And also the bike is too loud on the highways, so I thought of fitting the stock exhaust and see how it performs on the highways too. So these are the two reasons why I am switching back to the stock exhaust. So probably in 10 minutes I think we'll be reaching EZ Moto and I'll be continuing my vlog from there. So now I have reached EZ Moto. So this is where I'm going to change my exhaust. So this is the replica exhaust and it's too hot, so I'm not sure whether you guys are able to see that. It is written as Akrapovic here, so it's not a full system, it's a slip-on exhaust. And let me show you the stock exhaust. So that's in here. This is the stock one. This is how the bike is sounding. The sound is so sweet now. I'm going to do a couple of tests with this exhaust and then I will decide whether to go with this one or with the Akrapovic replica. So guys, with that I'm ending this video over here. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I have dropped the Instagram link on the screen as well as on the video description. See you guys on another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, take care, bye bye.